Hi, buddy. How's your thrush? You don't have the thrush anymore, do ya? Hey? Is your thrush cleared up? Hey? How's your thrush? Hey? Hi. Hi. Are you feeling better? Are you feeling better? Hey? Oh? Oh? Yeah, we're all happy because you don't have the thrush anymore. Hey? Are you feeling better? No more thrush. Hey, no more thrush? Yeah, no more thrush. No more thrush. Hello. Hi, buddy. Are you happy? Are you happy? Are you happy? Hey? Are you happy now? No thrush? Ooh.